Welcome back to our conversations on UDL. In this short video, we're going to discuss multiple means of representation, the first core principle of universal design for learning. We will focus on how students access and process information. Not everyone learns best through text. Not everyone benefits most from visuals. Representation means offering more than one format, so learners have a better chance of connecting with the material. One concept, three formats. Let's take one simple concept, the three branches of government. An instructor wants students to understand how the legislative, executive, and judicial branches function. First, the instructor presents the information as a paragraph of text. The description is accurate, but dense. Students who are confident readers can move through it quickly, but others may struggle with terminology or visualizing the relationships. Next, the instructor records a short audio clip explaining the same concept in spoken language. This format helps students who process information better by listening. They can pause and replay the clip or follow along with a transcript if one is provided. Finally, the instructor adds a labeled diagram. The three branches are laid out visually, with arrows showing how power is distributed and balanced. This helps learners who need to see structure to understand systems. Need to use. The content did not change, but by offering more than one way to receive it, the instructor removed unnecessary barriers. Each student can choose the format that helps them make sense of the material. Diverse offerings. Now let's look at a different kind of class. In a literature course, students are expected to read The Yellow Wallpaper by Charlotte Perkins Gilman. Instead of assigning an inaccessible scanned PDF and expecting everyone to engage with it the same way, the instructor offers three options: an accessible PDF with structured headings, searchable text, and alt text on images, a web-based version of the text with built-in dictionary tools and adjustable font, an open-source audiobook version free on YouTube. Students can choose the version that fits their learning preferences or life circumstances. Some read while listening. Others download the audio to review during their commute. All students are engaging with the same core material, but in a way that respects how they learn best. This is not about offering shortcuts. It is about removing unnecessary barriers. The goal remains the same. The path becomes more accessible. Modeling representation. If you are officially completing this training on your own or through your institution, you are already experiencing multiple means of representation in action. You can read the course content online at your own pace. You can download a printable resource sheet to review or annotate. And you can watch this video with visual and spoken explanations of the key concepts. Each piece reinforces the others, but none is required in isolation. As the graphic to my left states, we must offer options for how new content is presented to learners. In this course, we are not just describing universal design for learning, we are using it. Why representation matters. Remember, students come to your course with different needs, experiences, and strengths. Some are multilingual, some use assistive technology, some have disabilities they may or may not disclose. Others are working, parenting, or caring for family. When content is only presented in one way, it limits access for many of these learners. Designing for representation is not about doing more work. It is about doing smarter, more inclusive work. Even small changes can make a big difference. Doing things like discussing learning outcomes at the beginning of a course, giving a handout to accompany a lecture, offering a reading in two formats, or restructuring course content to include audiovisual material, improve the learning experience for your students. When students can access the material, they are more likely to stay with the course and succeed. And when we build options in from the start, we spend less time scrambling to fix problems later. Representation is not extra, it is essential.